Hey guys, so today I have actually got a new camera. My old one for ages has been going really dark, really bright, and also when I wore certain colours, so for example blue, my face would be bright orange. Hopefully this one is okay. Let me know if you think anything needs to be changed in the settings or anything like that. Hopefully you can hear me just the same. But today I am going to do a box or a parcel that I've not had in, I think, probably about 2 years now, and that is Medusas makeup. So for anyone that's been subscribed for a really long time, I did used to do this every single month a few years ago. They did randomly just stop sending them to me, I think because in the videos I wasn't loving it, honestly. But this one surprisingly just turned up for Halloween time. So they didn't ask if I would film this or anything like that. I am just doing it because I think it's quite a good one, but I think it's a little cheeky that they just sent it for Halloween hoping that I would do it, honestly. So this used to be a worldwide subscription. On the website now, the only thing I can see is USA, so I'm not 100% sure. If I find out anything different, I will put it down below in the description. But all I can see on the website for now is that this is an American one and it's $22.95. So I will let you know if I know any different. But we're going to open this now. Like I said, this is the October or the Halloween one. So when you open it up, this is what comes inside. It says that it's cruelty free and vegan. There's 6 products in here and they are valued at $75. Obviously this is like a little plastic pouch, so you could definitely reuse this as a makeup bag or like a travel toiletry bag or something like that. And there is actually a palette in here, which I don't think in the previous ones they ever did a palette, so that is a pretty good item. So I'll start off with the first item, which isn't actually a Medusas makeup item. I think this is the bonus item that it says on the front. So I don't actually know the company because it's covered up by this sticker, but it just says Beauty H, and this is a lavender pore refining mask. So it's just one of these little like fabric masks that you put on your face. I don't usually use these, honestly, because my skin is super sensitive, but I will definitely take this into work and give it to one of the girls in work. So that is our little bonus item. Then next we have a little lip balm, and it's a watermelon lip balm. I'm not the biggest fan in the world of watermelon flavoured or scented things, honestly, but I will give it a smell anyway. Oh, to me that doesn't smell like watermelon at all. It smells like really strong strawberry, so I'm not mad about that. If I wanted it to be watermelon, I might be, but it smells like strawberry to me. So that is our first little Medusas makeup item, a watermelon lip balm. Then next we've got another one which isn't a Medusas makeup item. This is by Jelly Pong Pong and it's called LunaLily Liquid Luminizer. So I will get this out and give you a little swatch. I never really use liquid highlights or blushes or anything like that because they seem to mess up my foundation. But we will give it a go just in case. So this is what it looks like out of the box. My camera seems to be really bright, so I might need to try and fix that, but that is what the packaging looks like. And then it's very liquidy. It's kind of like a pink shimmer, honestly. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to really see it on camera. No, you can't see it at all. Let me try turn that off. Next, we've got a Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in the colour Super Freak. I'm pretty sure I've already got this one from them sending it to me a while ago. I guess they've only got so many different shades, so after a couple of years they will kind of recirculate them again. But this one is like a really sparkly dark purple colour. I'll do a quick swatch. It's really pigmented and opaque. So this is more like a lip colour than a gloss, I would say, personally. So that is what that one looks like. Then next we've got a little brush. I actually quite like getting their brushes, honestly. This one is a different kind than I've had from them before. It's a pink one. It says Medusas Makeup up on the handle up here, and then it's got this like clear pink plastic crystal-y kind of looking handle. It's just a little eyeshadow brush, like a little flat eyeshadow brush. I find these are really good for glitters and also doing like underneath your eyes as well. So that is just a little brush. And then the last thing we have in here is the palette. So comes all nicely wrapped in a little plastic box and everything. I made the mistake of sticking the longest nails on before this video, which is not helping me open anything in the slightest. Okay, so this is what the front of the palette looks like. It's got the Medusas Makeup logo and it's like a lavendery kind of colour. And then inside at the top we have a mirror and 9 really pretty colours. I'm just going to turn that off so you can see them better. So these are super sparkly. I'll do a quick little swatch of the top 3. So that is those. Really pigmented. I've had the eyeshadows from them before and they are always amazing, so actually really like this little palette. So yeah, that was everything in our little Medusas makeup pouch, so I will quickly show you all again. So we had the lavender pore refining mask, the little palette with 9 shadows, the little eyeshadow brush, the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle lip gloss, the watermelon lip balm, which kind of smells like strawberry, the little LunaLily highlighter from Jelly Pong Pong, and also the little Medusas makeup pouch, which it all came in as well. So all of these items in the October Medusas makeup box. Actually really liked this one. I really liked the brush and the little palette the best. I think those two are my favourite items. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, if any of you still get Medusas makeup. I know a lot of you used to get it back when I did it. But yeah, hopefully you liked the new camera anyway. You'll have to let me know. I'll try and figure out some more settings as we go. I hope you liked the video as well. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.